It is now time for you to start generating some income with TweetBinder. Become a partner and you can begin making money with us starting today. Becoming a TweetBinder partner will allow you to create a new revenue stream. Who doesn't like some extra cash, right? The more people you bring to TweetBinder, the more money you will be able to generate. So if you have a blog or a website, or even if you don't, start working with us today. Becoming a TweetBinder partner is very easy. You just have to go to tweetbinder.com/partners and sign up using your Twitter account and fill out a very simple form. We accept everyone in our program. You don't need to be approved by us or anything. Once you are in, you will receive an email with instructions and you will be given a partner ID. Keep that ID in a safe place. You might need it in the future. There are two ways to generate income when you are a partner. The first one applies if you have a website. You will be able to insert the TweetBinder search box into your website so your visitors can start making Twitter reports from it. It is very easy, and not only will you give your site a cool new feature, but also this will let you generate income. If one of those users that creates a Twitter report from your site ends up buying, you will get a 15% commission. You can install the TweetBinder search box easily, like a WordPress plugin, or by just pasting an HTML code. The instructions are in the email you will receive, and it is quite easy. But hey, here we are if you need help. By the way, you can also install payment buttons on your site so people can buy directly from there. Cool, huh? We recommend that you put the TweetBinder search box in as many pages as possible on your site. Then generate traffic to them so you can potentially generate more income. If you have SEO knowledge, then it is even better. The second way is easier, and it doesn't require you to have a website. Just sign up and then start creating Twitter reports and share them with your friends and followers. Every user that creates a report after visiting your report and ends up buying a TweetBinder product will generate you a commission. That's awesome. So our advice is that you create as many reports as possible and share them with all of your community. The more you create and share, the more possibilities you will have to generate income. These are the two ways of generating cash with our TweetBinder Partners program. We hope to welcome you to the team soon. We are here to help you, so do not hesitate and start making money with us.